I'm going to go over this fuel transfer pump. What it is, it's an entire kit right here for fuel transfer. So if you got like a gas can or any type of like oil or something, you need to go and move it from one place to another. This is what I recommend for you. Now, the one I have right here takes the DeWalt battery, and I'll go over it real quick on how it works. You know, you got the nozzle here. This part right here goes down inside the unit. You get all of these little fittings right here. See these different types of fittings? So it can go on a wide variety of barrels and jugs. This one right here, actually, I already have it on here. This one goes on my gas jug, so I would say that goes on about every standard gas jug. You get a little kind of like battery connect right here. So if you've got like a 12-volt battery, you can use that. You got like a outlet plug, one of those 12-volt kind of cigarette plug outs. But really, the way I'm going to use it is this DeWalt battery. Dropped over here. Let me show you guys how this works. So it just slides on just like that. This part will go down in the jug. You'll hit the on button, and then it goes. You don't want to run it while there's no fuel to be done. So let me grab a gas jug. Let me go ahead and fill a lawnmower up. It doesn't take long with this thing. Trust me, this is something you want to use if you're going to be filling up, especially multiple vehicles or multiple kind of lawn equipment or something. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have a full tank of gas here. I have a little bit of gasoline in this one, and I have my Power Smart mower right here. I'm going to take the gas out of this, put some in this one, and then also fill up my mower. So it does have the fitting. Make sure it's off. Slide it down in there just like this. See the hose? Goes right down in there like that. Now, because I have the proper fitting on it, it's going to lock into place. This is great, everybody. Now that's tightened down. We have our own little gas station right here. So this one is my Spectre. I think this is called a Spectre tank right here. So what we're going to do, turn that on. It is ready. Now this is just gasoline from jug to jug. Is that not awesome? That's full on gasoline right there. So I'm not going to fill up all of my tank right there because this thing fills up fast. Look down in there. Notice there's no gasoline down in there. You guys see? That is an empty tank. Watch this. We have our own little gas station. Look how fast it fills up, everybody. That's it. We have a full tank of gas ready to go on our mower. Now, where this would come in handy is if it's somebody that had multiple lawn equipment where they wanted to kind of like fill up jugs. Say you had like a big 50-gallon jug or something and you really needed to fill up. This is the way to go. I have transferred. So what I'm doing, let's say this is going to be like weed eater gas, you would do that. This would be like lawnmower gas, you would do that. I just transferred almost half this whole tank to that one right there. And then when you're done, just turn it off. And then I like to just kind of bleed it out a little bit. Just like that. And then we can take it off, let it drain a little bit, and we are good to go. So there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, gasoline transfer pump. See y'all in the next video.